The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, India has witnessed a massive surge of cases in the past few weeks. As the medical and healthcare system is overwhelmed, the citizens have stepped in taking matter into their own hands. Individuals, NGOs and corporate have understood and taken over the social responsibility to help each other. People like you and I are on phone, on streets, everywhere trying to help each person they come across. No caste, religion or gender bias. One key thing this COVID has taught us. What is humanity? While most of us are trying to help each other, there are a few that thought to make money out of this human suffering. The fraudsters. Many people are running the oxygen concentrator syndicates out of Lajpat Nagar, Karol Bagh, New Delhi, and other cities. They are selling third-grade oxygen concentrator that give 30% efficiency while claiming it to be 90% for 7 liters. They won't give any bill and insist only on cash payment. Part in advance as booking amount. Balance on delivery. They won't give any office address and will call you at some public location to hand over the machine and push you on buying it without any checks, claiming these are tested and will take the responsibility. They will make it emotional by stating they are doing only social service and do not reap any profit from these deals. No one can check a concentrator on a public road anyways. You trust them on their educated and decent looking appearance and buy these concentrators. And then there is another breed of these fraudsters. They are using WhatsApp and Telegram to do their conversations and also freely speaking over calls. The moment you transfer money, they would block the people who have made these payments. Such an evil act. The needy person who has trusted them at this unfortunate hour is being duped and falling further to their misfortune. As you are saving yourself from the virus itself, you need to take security precautions against these human virus of the society. Stay secure. Verify the person or the lead. Do not pay in advance. Insist on payment on delivery. Verify product before final payment. Bill or invoice is a must. Choose the right concentrator. Oxygen flow should be 5 liters per minute or higher. Oxygen concentration should be 90 to 95%, not 30 to 90%. Portable or stationary, either will do. Stationary are cheaper. Lightweight concentrators are no good. This is Hargun Kathuria, praying for all to stay safe and stay secure. This too shall pass.